So example number 7. In this part we will use commands as boss extrude, mirror and fillet. Let's get started. New file, from plane, sketch, draw some axes. We begin with that circles. 1, 2, circle. Okay, the little one 125, the biggest one 280. Okay. We begin by make it half of the base and mirror it. So here we have 72. Okay, a little bit bigger. So 451.8. And here we have 368. $175. Okay. So we'll mirror this part, select it, select also the mirror line and mirror entity. Now trim it, where we don't need. Features, boss extrude 150 as a middle plane. Let's make it like that, 150. Okay, so now we need to do the circle. Sketch again. $192. And this circle from here I will convert it. Okay, now on features, boss extrude 21.8, and we don't choose mid plane. It's okay now. Now we will do a mirror. We will choose from plane. As a features we choose the last boss extrude. Okay. And finally let's make the fillet. So fillet 15. This one. And this one. Okay, we will make the second fillet 8. Okay. Here and here. and the face and this edge. Okay, and now the final fillet. So for that we need fillet 15, 1, 2, this edge, this face, and this face. Okay, that was it. See you in the next examples.